If you want to link your Google Search Console or your Google Ads account, or if you're an e-commerce store and you have Google Merchant Center, then you can do this yourself within Google Analytics using the product links section. Now to get there, we have to go to our analytics dashboard at analytics.google.com/analytics. And then we're looking for the gear icon on the bottom left-hand side here, which is known as the admin section. Once we land here, there are two ways we can get to product links. The first one is on the left sidebar, and the next one is just down here, which also gives you visuals. The most common links are the ones that I had mentioned. So let's get started. For example, Google Ads link. Here you will see if there is already a Google Ads account linked. And if not, we can press link. And then we're going to choose the Google Ad account that we want access to. Once you've selected the Google Ad account, then press next. In here, if you plan to do remarketing, you can leave personalized advertising on. And auto tagging, we want to leave those settings as is, and allow access to analytics features also on, and then we'll press next. This will then just summarize the information, and then we're going to press submit in order for the link to be complete. Okay, now what about Search Console? In here we can see if there are any links, and if not, we can press link. We then need to choose the accounts that we have access to. And for this one, we need to make sure that we're an owner in order for it to come up. Once we've selected the account, we can press next. If you're wondering which account to choose from, if you've got the domain version as well as other variations, the domain one is usually the best one because it combines multiple URLs or web addresses, unlike the previous version, which was just one URL. We then need to select the web stream, which is our Google Analytics website or app that we're trying to measure. Selected that, we can press next to confirm. This will then specify the details just in case we got it wrong, and then we press submit in order for the link to be complete. The final one is Google Merchant Center for this video, and this is only applicable if you're using the Google Merchant facility, which really is for e-commerce stores, so online stores, which have a product feed for the purpose of, for example, Google Shopping. So if we do have that, we're going to press link up here. We're then going to choose the account that we want to link this to. We've done that, we're going to press next. We're going to leave auto tagging on, so we're going to press next. This then just confirms the details once again before we finalize by pressing submit. And then your connection is done for those product links.